How to set up the Kingston Iron Locker Plus 50 encrypted USB hard drive, guys. All right, so they sponsored this video. Shout out to Kingston for sending me this product. So let's get on into it. So first, you're gonna insert the drive, guys. Plug the Kingston IronKey into an available USB port to your computer. Ensure the device is recognized by your operating system. Next, you're gonna launch installation tool and open the Iron Locker application that appears on the drive. If it doesn't launch automatically, navigate to the drive on your file explorer. Set up your password. Follow the prompt to create a strong password. If multi-password mode is enabled, you can set it up for an admin and a user password. Make sure you follow the password guidelines to meet the password configuration requirements. Set up the automatic cloud backup if you desire, guys, because I'm telling you, this feature is so useful. Adjust your timeout settings, password hints, or self-destruction option as per your preference. Save the complete setup. Click finish and then save your settings. Your drive is now ready for use, guys. So using the drive to access files, you got to enter your password each time you plug the drive. You can safely eject the drive when finished to ensure data integrity. The setup process is user friendly and ensures maximum security for your data.